on, guys? RWB0765 back with another video. And in today's video, we're getting this car ready for Friday. In the previous video with this car, this side was all messed up. Well, we welded the tie rod, put a new CV axle in, and a new strut. Now with the back side, I'm gonna try to attempt to do something. Not for sure what, but it's gonna get there. Anyway, everything we've taken from this car that has been put in the car I ran in the last video is now going to be taken out of that car and put back in this car, along with the roof sign. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so we got the rear end somewhat fixed. Not for sure how it's going to hold, but we did put a little bit of skinny bed frame tubing in there. I'm going to add the solid real quick and then drop it down and see how it holds. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so the car is finished, the car is loaded, and we're gonna go derby tonight, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we've made it here. We're just waiting to get teched in and sticked and all that, and then we're good to go. Alright, so we're about to have the guy come and check over the car for us. Alrighty boys, we're sticked, but we had to take off the hood due to people gonna complain about the bolts sitting there. So I said, fuck it, we'll just take the hood off and call her good. Now she's sticked and ready to go. Let's dance, boys.
Come on,